All three very, very good hits. Let me slowly reholster and then I'll check the time. All right, that wasn't that bad. It was 7.22 seconds to reload with the Speedloader, the 7-shot HKS Speedloader. I'm working from concealment, behind the hip, DeSantis thumb brake holster, and it is got the thumb brake latched. And a DeSantis split 6, they call it, Speedloader holder. Of course, mine's a 7. The cartridges go around the belt, so it's a little more concealable if that's what you do. I'm carrying this way right now because it's going into winter time. So, well, let's see what the times are like. Okay, so it went really well, and then at the last second, one of the rounds stopped the cylinder from closing. Okay, so time to reload and get the next shot off was 8.56, 8.56. Okay, so I lost a round again, and it would have been my second shot had I just closed the cylinder right away. It may have been one of the shots. I didn't want that, so that's why you saw me rotate with my left thumb, rotate the cylinder. That way I think I'd get at least 3 shots until I go empty. I guess let's do that on camera. Yeah, so I was right. I rotated enough so I had enough to deal with the situation if someone was closing on me, like I was injured around the car to finish off a headshot or something. I didn't just want 1 shot, I wanted 3. So you saw that quick spin, take away the time. We'll check out the times right now. Okay, so guys, time to reload to get that in. And again, I bobbled around and I couldn't just slam it home right away because I would have only had 1 shot and then an empty. I guess you could have done that, ding, but I was pretending I was behind cover and I'd want at least 3. So it was 9.6. So I think we've been 7.22 to like 8.5 to 9.6. Check our times. Pause it right there. Okay, so 12.14. So we're already looking at 3 to 5 seconds slower on my first run with the quick strip, speed strips. Okay. I took a second shot because I saw that the hit was a little on the side. These are very thin, small targets, so it's still a pretty good hit. I just did that because, hey, I'm training right now. Okay, that was at about a 12.8, 12.9. That seems to be what I got last time, I think, from the back pocket. So speed strips, obviously slower than speed loaders. I think everybody knew that. About 7, 8, 9 seconds on the speed loaders and like 12 for speed strip, something like that. Let's see what a New York reload's like. All right, time for the New York reloads. I said reloads, you'll see why in a minute. Old school AARP 257 Magnum 45 AARP. Yo. fast to me. Maybe Jim Cirillo knew what he was talking about. He paused it there, see if we got a time. 2.3 seconds, 2.3 seconds, clearly faster than a Speedloader or a speed strip. Of course, the New York. The trigger display. 2.07, 2.07, so my New York. Different New York reload method, probably what more people might have, is a decently large gun on their hip or appendix, whatever, and a small little bug back up in their offside front pocket, which is what I got right now. We're gonna go to the LCP. If I get any... Went to the wrong gun. I went to the wrong gun because no, I'm not usually carrying 3 guns. But I wanted to check some stuff. We'll check the times. It's going to be a little fun. 2.08, 2.08, even with my bobble. Hope you guys liked it. Please thumbs up.